Stir-frying is a quick and easy way to cook delicious meals with minimal cleanup. Today, I'll show you how to stir-fry in 3 simple steps, perfect for busy weeknights when you want to get a healthy meal on the table fast, or to use up things you have in the fridge. So what is stir-frying? Well, the definition is in the name. This is a Chinese cooking technique in which you cook ingredients quickly over high heat in a lightly oiled pan while stirring continuously. Now, one quick note, in order to ensure the ingredients cook quickly, the meat and veggies will be cut into small pieces. A stir fry has a few basic components. A protein like chicken, pork, beef, or tofu. A selection of 1 or more types of vegetables. An oil with a high burn point like peanut oil, grapeseed oil, or canola oil. And a sauce. You can purchase pre-made sauces or whip up your own in minutes. And here's a helpful tip to planning your own stir-fry meals. As a general rule, plan on an equal amount of protein by weight as vegetables, a simple 1-to-1 ratio. Today, I'm going to use 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, a red bell pepper, a head of broccoli, and 2 carrots. And we'll be making a simple and flavorful sauce using common pantry ingredients. You can absolutely use a wok if you have one, but I'll be demonstrating using a piece of equipment most of us have on hand, a large skillet or frying pan. Use your largest pan to make sure there's room for air to circulate around the ingredients as you cook. Since most stir fries are served with rice, it's a good idea to start cooking your rice before you begin preparing the stir fry. White rice should be ready in about the same time as it takes you to make the stir fry. Brown rice takes a little bit longer, so you might want to start it earlier. Now let's get started. First, we'll make the sauce. Add the following ingredients to a small bowl. 6 cloves of minced garlic, 3/4 of a cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger, and ½ a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then stir well. That's it, your sauce is done. Cut the chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces and put the chicken pieces into a plastic bag with half of the sauce and massage with your hands. Set the chicken to the side to marinate while you prepare the veggies. Slice the carrots into thin rounds with a sharp knife. They need to be thin so that they can cook quickly. Cut your bell pepper into 1-inch strips. Then cut the head of the broccoli into 1-inch bite-sized pieces. Heat your pan using a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat. Remember, in stir-fry, you want to cook everything quickly and keep vegetables bright and tender and crisp. So make sure your pan is nice and hot before you add any ingredients. Once your pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and swirl it to cover the bottom of the pan. I'm using peanut oil. Once the oil is shimmering, but not yet smoking, we're ready to add chicken. Keep the pan hot and stir to keep the chicken moving around the pan as it cooks. And once it's browned and cooked through, add the vegetables. Keep stirring, making sure everything gets coated in that flavorful oil. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes until tender crisp. If your veggies need a little extra cooking, you can cover the pan for a couple of minutes to steam them lightly. Now add your stir-fry sauce. Stir everything to coat the ingredients in that savory sauce and let it simmer for another minute or 2 so the sauce thickens slightly and the flavors melt together. That's it. Your stir fry is ready to serve. Pair it with rice and you've made a quick, healthy meal in no time. Stir frying is all about speed and flavor and simplicity. This is a versatile technique with endless variations and it's a great way to use up whatever you have in the fridge. Next up, learn how to put together sheet pan meals.